We are running to the end of the show. We're almost finished, guys. I have 2 more machines to upload to inundate your timelines with. And I'm gonna save 2 cool ones for the end because I don't care if they sell. If they don't, I'll keep them forever because they're awesome and they're cool. And this one's rare. This is an Everest K3. Now you guys might have seen my other videos on the K2, and you guys may have known that I am an Everest aficionado, a connoisseur, a collector. Yeah, all of the above. I love the Everest. I don't know why. It's not super great, but it's nice. It's plush. It has a cool bell. Does this one have the Everest bell? Nope. Everest. In your attempts, excuse my thing, in your attempts to squash your machine and put it into this nice, tiny, slim package, you took off the bell. You took off the cool bell, but you added segment shift. Isn't that nice of them? Oh, it's a little sticky. I haven't used this in a while. I'll have to take a look at that. Let's see what's going on. Maybe it needs some oil. Maybe there's something rubbing on something. There's the thing back there. Maybe it just needs a little grease on her. But anyway, we'll get you guys into the stirrups, and we'll take a look at this machine and see how she types, because it's neat. It's a cool machine. Believe you me. Believe you me. You see that cool paper table in the back? That's paper table guy. Reach. Sorry, my camera tripod's wiggling. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. When I got this machine, it was completely thrashed. This case, the body didn't look great, and this was broken. And I fixed it, and there's about 4 of these in the world. Not really, but this is the first one I've been able to get my hands on. So I fixed it. And now I was typing on it. Maybe. The camera always likes to add 10 blunders. Let's see how this types. I'm typing. Yes, it's an Everest. It feels like an Everest. Not the best Everest. Not like some of the K2s are super great. This one feels a little chunky, a little sludgy, a little gummy. Should I say? But it's been fully worked over. And this is a really neat typewriter because it's half the K2 and then half of like their improvements and their designs. And it's got a solid 1-piece bottom, and it's modular, so the carriage comes off. Let's get this out of the way. The carriage, you just unscrew that screw, and then unscrew the other screw, and the whole carriage comes out. It's neat. It's a neat machine. Is it the best machine? No. Is it neat? Yes. It's very neat. It has a cool case. It's very slim. This is Everest's last-ditch effort to make something of themselves. But you can see this paint work that I did. This is like a full-on geometric Everest, you know, the peaks of Everest. So I went with the theme of peaks, and it's got like this infinite triangle design, and it's got multiple colors of red in it and different. This is like a pearlized metallic wine, some dark cherry reds, and it changes, and there's details galore. In the front there's details, on the side there's details. It's got the arrows. The back is, for a while, like all these machines I was doing, because I think maybe I start on the back, so all my mojo is cooking when I work on the back. And this design just, oh my gosh, I love it. Those arrows, the way they overlap, and that diamond, and the way they cut off, the little 3 lines there. Here's the made in Italy. Yeah, guys, this took me 36 hours, maybe 32 to 37.5 hours to paint this machine in multiple steps and stages. It was fun, and I'll keep it. It's not the best. Like I said, finding parts machines are going to be nigh on impossible. But this one types, and it types in, did I show you the type test? It types in Techno. It's a Techno machine. It's neat. Techno typer. Cool flip up plastic paper guy. It's got a cool little case. A leatherette case. That's also made in Italy. And it's intact. Everything works great. But yeah, guys, put this one up. If you want to collect on it, you can collect on it. If not, it'll stay in my clutches, my Everest collection, made in Italy. I'll dial it in, see why this is sticking like that with the lid on. It shouldn't. It's weird. It must be rubbing somewhere under here. I'll have to take a peek. It's kind of tripping me out because it works with the lid off. So maybe something's rubbing on that inside. But we will investigate, because that's what we do. We are typewriter investigation committees. Super sparkly. When you get this one out in the sun, this is just under like a 20-watt LED power saver desk lamp. So when you get this thing out in the sun, it's like, it's go time. Go time. Cool. This is Everest K3, if anybody's ever been interested in the K3. I know one other person that has one on the East Coast. He knows who he is. I guess. All right, Typewriter Company. Have a good evening.